Good morning, students. Welcome back in Sri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, we are completing here workbook chapter number 3rd, Maratha Sardas, the famous house of Bhosles. Yesterday we have completed page number 17 and 18. Means question number 1 to 6 we have completed. Now open your workbooks page number 19. See, all have to do it properly. Okay, workbook should be completed each and every once. Okay, so open your workbooks page number 19 and see. If some students may say, sir, that my parents have not purchased workbooks, what should I do? So if you don't have workbook, tell your parents to purchase it. This workbook's cost is only, I'll tell you cost, 80 rupees. It's only 80 rupees. You have to purchase it. And if you are not purchase it, if parents are not agree to purchase it, then you have to write all these question answers in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, so but you have to do it, because practice makes man perfect. If you will make practice, you will be perfect. Otherwise nothing, you will not get success. Okay, so open workbooks page number 19, question number 7. See here, question number 7. Write the answers in 2 to 3 sentences each. Write the answers in 2 to 3 sentences each. Here they have given you 2 questions. Okay, and answers we have to write in 2 to 3 sentences. So see, don't worry about the answers. Just we have to understand it and then we have to write it. We don't have to learn answers. Okay, if you will understand it, you can write it, and if you learn it and if you forgot it, nothing will be used. So there is no need to learn answers. You have to get it, understand, and then you can write it. Okay, see your first question. See, write briefly about the Jadavs of Sindhkhed. So here we have to write information about Jadavs of Sindhkhed. Okay, so on in your own language also you can write it. No one will ask you that why you have written in your own language. Okay, we just want answer. Okay, but if you are using your own language, means in English only, huh? But spelling mistakes should not be there and grammatically it should be correct. Okay, so see, first one, Jadavs of Sindhkhed claim descent from the Yadavs of Devgiri. Jadavs of Sindhkhed claim descent from the Yadavs of Devgiri. Shahaji's mother Jizabai was the daughter of Lakhujirao Jadav of Sindhkhed. This one all of you knows that Jizabai was daughter of Lakhujirao Jadav. So that much. Only what word they have used? Shivaji's mother. Shivaji's mother. Who was Shivaji's mother? Jizabai. And she was daughter of Lakhujirao Jadav of Sindhkhed. This much simple. See, Jadavs. Okay. Now second question. Mention the merits and demerits of Maratha Sardas. Mention the merits and demerits of the Maratha Sardas. So what is the answer? The Maratha Sardas were brave and valiant. Maratha Sardas were brave and valiant. Next, they fought against one another as they served two rival masters, the Sultans of Bijapur and Ahmednagar. Sultans of Bijapur and Sultan of Ahmednagar. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. See, Maratha Sardas were brave and valiant and they fought against one another, but they were fighting against one another. As they served two rival masters, two masters. Which were those two masters? Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. Okay, see. So what you have to do, you have to pause the video, you have to write answer in good handwriting. Now, question number 8, give reasons. See, first question is, the Bhosles became rich and powerful. The Bhosles became rich and powerful. So answer is, Nizam Shah conferred the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas on Maloji and Vithoji Bhosle. See, Nizam Shah conferred the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas on Maloji and Vithoji Bhosle. These enhanced their power and influence. As a result, Bhosles became rich and powerful. See, Bhosles became rich and powerful because they got Jagirs of Pune and Supe Parganas. And these enhanced their power and influence. As a result, the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Now, second question. See, the Mughal emperor made an alliance with Adil Shah of Bijapur. The Mughal emperor made an alliance with Adil Shah of Bijapur. So what is the answer? See, the Mughal emperor wanted to conquer Nizam Shah's kingdom. Mughal emperor wanted to conquer Nizam Shah's kingdom. It was a difficult task because Nizam Shah had in his service an able Sardar Shahaji Raje and capable Wazir Malik Ambar. Adil Shah happened to be Nizam Shah's bitter enemy. Therefore, the Mughal emperor made an alliance with Adil Shah of Bijapur. Understand? Very good. Now, question number 9 on the page number 19. See, give the information about the following in 3 or 4 sentences each. Give the information about the following in 3 or 4 sentences each. So we have to give your information. So first one is the Bhosles of Verur. What is the question? The Bhosles of Verur. See here, only one line is given on page number 19 for the answer, and remaining 5 lines are given on page number 20. Okay. So see, the Bhosles of Verur, we have to write information about them. Babaji Raje, the Patil of Verur. Babaji Raje, the Patil of Verur, he had 2 brave sons, namely Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. They secured the Jagir of Pune and Supe from Nizam Shah. They secured Jagir from Pune and Supe from Nizam Shah. Shahaji Raje and Sharifji were the sons of Maloji Raje, and Shahaji Raje was a brave Sardar in the service of Nizam Shah. Shahaji Raje was the brave Sardar in the service of Nizam Shah. Understood? So like this about Bhosles of Verur, we have written some information. Now, page number 20. Shahaji Raje. See here. Shahaji Raje, the son of Maloji Raje, was held in great respect in the court of Nizam Shah. Shahaji Raje fought against the Mughals to save Nizam Shahi. He joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur due to the antagonism in the court of Nizam Shah. He was honored with the title Sar Lashkar. On the appeal of mother of Nizam Shah, he left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. Okay. So like this information we have written about Shahaji Raje. In briefly we have to write it. So like this we have completed here our workbook chapter number 3rd. Okay. So all have to complete your workbook. You have a lot of time. You have to copy all answers from video, and these answers will be helpful for your terminal exam. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with the new chapter. Thank you very much.